firefighting system. The firefighting system we have sprinkler. Sprinkler we have bulb. The bulb needs to be blown after 70 degrees. So once the room heating temperature is high, more heat than bulb will block. So the water will go to the area. Then there is a switch board in the line.
We need to cool down
Coming
which
from
we fit it.
6 to 5 volt, the jockey pump is not first. Here we have jockey pump. Jockey pump. The jockey pump will start first. The jockey pump is cutting pressure is 5 bar, cutoff is 6 bar. Because we are maintaining the line pressure 6 bar. So once it's coming to 5 bar, the jockey pump will start. It will maintain the pressure. Still the fire is huge. Then the water will be brought to the area. But the pressure will keep more pressure. When it's going 3.5 bar, then electric pump will start automatically. Electric pump will start automatically. So the water will move to the same network to that area to off the fire. So jockey and electric will run parallelly to off the fire. Okay. This is the fire scenario. In case of fire happened, the jockey electric is running, but meanwhile there is a power failure from the government. Okay, from authority there is a power failure, something shutdown substation power failure. Then we have to use this diesel pump. Here we have diesel pump. We have to put in auto mode. Okay, then this diesel pump will start automatically.
All three options are automatic?
Yes, all three is all automatic. If this is power failure, it will not work because this is required for power, electricity power. If there is no electricity power, jockey and electric pump will not work. In this case, we have to use for diesel pump. Okay? So the diesel pump will work and it will rectify this fire. Where the fire happened, the network will go the water. It will drop the water to the area to off the fire. In case in diesel pump, assume there is no diesel, okay, and power failure, there is no water in our pump, then we have to call civil defense. Civil defense, they will bring their tanker for water tanker they will bring. You can see behind this building we have wire connection for the civil defense authority. You can see behind this there is a roundabout. Okay, you are having lunch now, that area there is a wire connection. From there, the civil defense they will bring the tanker and they will connect the hose to the wire connection. So it will give the water the same network. We have one network for this building. So the water which will go, we can use for the same network, and wherever fire we can use for the fireworks cabinet or sprinkler.
Before they gonna use that one for the civil defense, is there any valve to open here?
Which one?
We need to open any valve there? The fire?
So here there is a wall, okay? Wall. This is always open. It will go to the network. Okay, in case of sprinkler, fire happened, sprinkler lost. You have to replace the sprinkler, right? The sprinkler bulb. That time you have to close the here. This one you have to close. Close. Then only the water will not come to the line. For example, workshop area, you have fire. Okay, the sprinkler bulb lost. You have to replace the new sprinkler bulb, right? For that one, you have to close. Otherwise, the water will become the network. So you have to close, drain the water with the fireworks cabinet. After that, you have to use for scaffolding or for malice. You have to change the bulb. After that, you have to open the wall. Then it will maintain the 6 bar in the pressure, line pressure.
I think your question, once the civil defense comes, we don't want to open anywhere. Anything. It's already open. Van is open. Once the civil defense comes, they will only flash the water, they will install the water, then it will be automatic. Fill the area. In case where any damage or anything, you want to come here, you want to damage. In case any problem where, in case immediately sometimes when we are taking ladder or something, broken. So we have to come back here and close.
Close and then
We have to close only when you are replacing.
Civil defense, once they come, there is no valve opening. It's already open the valve. Just only plug and start. That's it. It will be
Here we have fire alarm panel. We are going next to that. Okay, we can see the display.
Eh, nandito pala kami sa demonstrate yung sa fire alarm at sa fire hydrant sa labas. Dito kami, ito ang mga kasamaan ko to. Iba ito mga security guard. Ito yan si Engineer Yusuf. Yan. Ito dalawa itong mga tataas na sa
Okay, that we already explained.
Okay, hanggang sa muli. Okay na. Alam ko na. Alam na namin pala. Yan, binuksan ha.
No. This is time delay.
Yeah, this is the timer.
This is time delay for,
Yeah.
For a contactor. It's not for
Yes. That's what we asked already. I given command to the.
No, but how do you measure the for diesel without running hours?
We already given command.
I know, but from there.
Yes. The command.
All switch is auto. All
Every
auto,
time auto.
because I'm always stay here. Sometimes I'm use hose.
Yeah, no problem.
I need water for cleaning for.
Okay, no problem. You can use yours.
Yes.
Only work in jockey pump only.
Okay, only auto.
You are auto you can.
Okay.
Don't put a hand. Hand to directly work. After that, some broken coming.
Only auto.
Auto meaning 6 bar. This already automatic off. When you finish off the point, this
Yeah.
off.
Okay, and it's auto because always stay here. Then I'm sometimes use
Yeah, no
auto.
problem. You can use no problem.
earlier he mentioned 3.5 bulb. Then
We will put
automatic.
everything. Make it the name. How many cut in, cut out. We will put lighter. Because now only trading. After finish, we will fix. There is writing. Cut out, cut in, cut out, cut in. Everything. Diesel pump and no.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
are using fire hose only working for the jockey pump only. Not
Okay.
working other pump.
Okay.
More you use
Okay,
two, three hose one time. You will work like this big pump.
Okay.
Otherwise, one pump only working, no problem.
No problem because maybe 6 months after always coming then one on one I teach you. You teach me
Okay.
about okay. Thank you.
Because you want anyway, you are using 2, 3 for the use the
Yes,
cleaning.
yes.
After one, you want only off mode, the diesel pump and main pump. Because
Okay.
only jockey work.
Okay, Jackie.
Otherwise, you make a water more than down coming, you will work the diesel and this one. I like this. You are using 2, 3 hose. Just make only jockey pump only. Other one make it off.
Okay.
After your job finish, put it out.
Which is where is the Jackie? Dito naman kami sa
هيسحب الحين. ايوه طلع.
Ito yan.
Look.
Ay. Ganyan. My friend.
والنقطة عندها عنوان.
Ito namin ang ano. Ay, sir? Oo, vlog to, sir. Vlog to. Ay, yung ano, inano ko yung nag-question kanina. Dito.
عنوان.
Kala namin si Engineer Panta. Bumalik si Engineer Panta. Hanggang mamaya na naman. Salamat. Ay, sir, kaway ka muna, sir. Para makita ka siya. Kaway ka muna. Taga saan to? Taga ano, sir? La Union. La Union pala siya, sir. Salamat. Oo. Yun. Nag-training ko na ng fire alarm system.
Officer at saka
Yun.
engineering.
Salamat, sir. Salamat. Yan.
Silence, please.
Ay, susi lang pala. Susi lang pala yung ano.
Passcode. So manually we can pull this police station. So alarm will come.
I'm going to do it.
Stay on alarm. Stay on alarm. Don't listen. No, if red blinking means this alarm already activated. Now if you read it, it will stop blinking. Even there, the smoke detector, when alarm blinking green means it's already activated. But someone from there will put silent. From the main part. You can put silence, but the smoke detector or police station will be blinking green. Means still alarm exists, but someone is still silent from the main part.
معناته الاشاره هذه
الحريق شغال بس حد واحد سوى سايلنت على لوحه الحريق. في واحد سوى صامت سكت الداخل.
لو يديك جرين
موقع الرقم بيطلع له الاسم
على طول يعرفون.
هنروح هناك حنشوف. Now it's stop. Now it's coming green.
Good to
Green, they receive the alarm from the main panel, which is in CCTV room.
Now there's a fire, so we can pull now.
You can pull.
Where is it?
Ano po yan? Susi lang pala. Susi.
We can use now.
Ganyan na rin sana yung nandun sa mga
Hindi pala sa ano, sir, sa loob hindi pa ganito.
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Siguro.
Ito napaka-simple. Kayang gawin lang.
Okay, hanggang dito lang ang ano namin vlog. Salamat. Ito pala si John Travolta.
John
Travolta. Marami sa amin to kababayan niya.
Peter Pan.
Ayan.
John
Peter Pan. Maraming kabayan si John doon sa amin.
Galing Pilipinas.
Bisaya.
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 Ha?
Bisaya.
his girlfriend Christine Bisaya.
Okay. No problem, video ah.
This is the jockey pump.
This is
This is the
motor.
jockey pump.
Jockey pump.
This is the auto. You will auto use one pyros, no problem.
Okay.
Only work this one only.
Yeah.
Otherwise 2, 3 one time using.
Yes.
After this working for the electric pump.
Yes.
Electric pump working time there is alarm coming.
Outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why you want 2, 3 hours one time using.
Yes.
Just you off this one
Yes.
and engine pump, diesel pump. This
This is diesel
EM
pump.
right here. Good again.
Oh.
You can off this too.
Okay.
After your finish work,
Yes.
put it back auto.
Auto.
This one also auto.
Ah.
Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Because this forget, but then you know.
Where is the jockey pump here? This is the middle?
That one. Like it. This
Oh.
small pump only work. This
Ah.
two big pump working. There is coming.
Outside.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nagpaturo ako ng ang sarili ko dahil ako palagi dito. Area ko to. Ako lang mag-isa. Ang sabi ko, kailangan espesyalin ako turo. Explain niya. Dahil kailangan na dahil ako lang mag-isa dito. Area ko to. My friend, thank you. Thank you for your explanation. Mustafa bhai, thank you for your explanation. Okay.
Alati bhai.